Do you know many people are having trouble with their photos printing with a reddish tint? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check ink levels. Check the ink levels in your Epson printer, ensuring they are above the minimum line to maintain print quality. Step 2. Run nozzle check. Run a nozzle check from your printer's control panel to identify any blocked print head nozzles. Step 3. Clean print head. Perform a print head cleaning if the nozzle check shows blockages, as this can resolve color issues. Step 4. Adjust colors. Adjust the color correction settings in your printer settings to manage the color output more effectively. Step 5. Use genuine supplies. Ensure you are using genuine Epson ink and compatible paper to prevent color inconsistencies. By following these steps, you should be able to eliminate the reddish tint in your photo prints. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Epson users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.